Hello, and welcome to Therapeutic Thursday. Today we're going to go over some different grounding exercises that are great for kiddos, but can also be helpful for any age. So the first one is called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 senses. And for this activity, all you need is your senses, and you're going to notice the things around you in your environment. So you'd start with 5 things that you see, and then naming 4 things you hear, 3 things you smell, 2 things you can touch, and then 1 thing you can taste. And for this one, please feel free again to swap any of those. So if you'd prefer to do some more things that you hear, rather than 2 things that you can touch or 1 thing you can taste, then you can be flexible with it. Another way that you can do it is 5 sights. And so this could be 5 colors I see, 4 shapes I see, 3 soft things I see, 2 objects I see, and 1 person I see. And again, with this one, you can change it around, use some different things for that one. Or you could do colors. You could do 5 green things I see, 4 purple things I see, 3 red things I see, 2 blue things I see, and 1 yellow thing I see. So these ones can be very adaptable to whatever kind of environment you might be in, whether that's inside or outside. Another exercise you can do is an ABC around the room. And so this one can be helpful for connecting kiddos to different things that are around them by looking for different things that start with that letter. So again, trying to find something that starts with the letter A, such as an apple, then the letter B, such as a banana. And so looking around and trying to find things that start with that, or even just going through and naming things that start with those letters. The next exercise is called Be a Tree. And so for this one, you can invite the kiddo to stand up and notice their feet on the ground or the floor in their shoes, and to stand nice and tall. And maybe move forward and back just to notice their balance. And then they can say things to themselves such as, I am firmly planted. I feel my feet rooted to the ground. My back is a strong trunk helping me feel stable in the moment. My arms are the branches. I feel them reach out to the world. And again, with this one, you can invite in any other phrases that they might like to say as well. The next one is a power hug. And so pressure can be great for grounding. And so for this one, the child or kiddo or even the adult or youth would wrap their arms around themselves, giving themselves a self-hug. And then they can repeat phrases to themselves that they feel most connected to. So that could be things as, I'm safe in this moment, I am loved, I am enough. And so for this one too, there could be some different variations. You could add a squeeze into the hug. You could also invite them to try doing some tapping of their shoulders while they're hugging themselves. And just to go ahead and explore some different strategies within that power hug. The next exercise is an object focus. And so the person would pick any unique item that they have around that might have different textures or colors. This could be a rock, a snow globe, any type of fidget, even a pencil that's around. And so the person would hold the item in their hand and just notice it. Noticing the colors, noticing the textures, noticing how it feels in their hand. Is it warm or cool? And just noticing different things about that item. Another great exercise is creating an I am here hand trace. And so for this exercise, you would need paper and then pencil, marker, or crayon, any type of writing tool. And then the person would put their hand on the paper and they would trace their hand in a couple different directions. And then once they're done tracing their hand, then they can start to fill in those spaces. They could write sayings, or they could write things that they see around them in those spaces, or they could just add some different doodles or drawings within there. Another great exercise is reorientating to the moment. And so this is just to get them to say some facts about the moment. So that might sound something like, my name is blank. I am in blank. Then you say whichever room or space you're in. Today is, you could say the date. The season is spring, summer, fall, winter. The weather is hot, cold, sunny, cloudy. I am wearing shoes, pants, shirt. Anything kind of along those lines. And then the last one that I have is called Stomp, Stomp, Blow. And for this grounding exercise, you would have the person stomp one foot, then stomp the other foot, and then take a deep exhale. And you would continue this pattern of stomping one foot, stomping the other one, and then blowing out the air. So stomp, stomp, blow, stomp, stomp, blow. And then inviting that person to feel the connection of their feet on the floor and maybe imagine them blowing away any of those unwanted thoughts. So I thank you for joining me as we went through some different grounding techniques. Have a great day.